Art channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan and today I am going to paint my favorite animal on this canvas, which is going to be a lion, cause your girl is a lioness, guys. And guys, today I am really happy because we are completing our 6 months on this channel today with this video, and the journey was amazing, guys. You all supported me and I am really feeling very thankful to you all. And guys, I hope you will keep supporting me, keep watching, and without wasting your much time, let's start this video. And let me tell you that I am having a surprise for you. For that you have to watch this video till the end, so keep watching. So guys, I have taken these shades on my palette and I am going to start the painting. So let's start. The first thing with which we are going to start our painting is to draw a scale for correct face measurements. For this, I am going to make 4 equal partitions in the center with horizontal lines and a vertical line in it, which is not in the center. It is a little bit to the left side of the canvas. All these are representing nose, forehead and chin areas. I am going to paint slightly side pose of the line, that's why vertical line is not in the center. And now I am starting to paint the basic sketch of the lion, starting from the second horizontal line by drawing the eyes, which are not equidistant from the vertical line, and the nose on the third line with mouth on the fourth line, both are attached. And guys, you need to take care that the distance between eyes is not the same from center line, because we are going to paint side pose of the line. Now I am going to outline all the basic face structure and then I'll start painting with the basic shades. Guys, you might be thinking that why I am drawing the basic sketch with my acrylic paint and that dark. Guys, I'm doing this because this is not going to be visible in the final artwork. I am going to apply so many layers of acrylic paints over it, so it is going to get covered with all those layers, so it is not going to bother me later on, so I can do this. So for painting, I am using a brush firstly. Even though my painting is going to be a knife painting, but I prefer to paint a layer of acrylics under knife strokes. With brush, I am going to paint this layer to get better coverage, and the layer which I am painting now is going to be very light as compared to the knife one, so it is going to help me later on. I wanted this layer to serve as perfect base, so I used exact same shades that a lion have as base shades here, because this will help me to create magic on this canvas. Now I am going to start painting from the eyes, and I think I need to scratch the paint away from here. You know, this is the beauty of acrylics. All the mistakes can be fixed. There is no bar on our creativity and hunger for perfection. We can do everything in acrylic paintings. I am going to fill orange shade in the eyes, and then I am going to start painting the under eye areas with knife using white acrylic paint. You know guys, when we paint with knife, all the layers that we are going to put on our canvas are going to be too thick. So we need to paint really carefully. It's necessary. After painting the white portion on the under eye areas and on the nose, I am going to paint mane, the thick hair around the lion's neck. If you watch me regularly, then you must know that my strategy of painting is I go from darker to lighter layers of paint. So I am going to apply darker layers first, and then I am going to paint with lighter shades on this painting also. Firstly, I am applying burnt sienna and black initially around the face and on some areas of face in this painting, and guys, this is really fun. The color that I am going to paint on the face after this is golden yellow, and I am going to apply a very thick layer of this paint on the face of lion. And I am also going to apply a few touches on the mane also of same shade. You know guys, acrylics dry very darker, so we need to prepare our shades according to this, because the shades we are painting now are going to dry darker, so you need to keep all the shades a little bit lighter than the exact shades that you want on your painting. You need to keep this in your mind. The next shade that I'm going to apply on the top of it is the middle of rust orange and burnt orange. It's in between these two. I am going to apply it on forehead and on nose portion, and then I'm going to apply it on the mane, majorly on the mane. This shade is the star shade in this painting, and this shade is the shade which is going to provide me full coverage of the mane, and this is going to provide me a very thick, really thick mane of the line. As I'm done with this shade, so now I'm going to draw the nose with brush, and then I'm going to start painting lion's mouth. After painting lion's mouth with black shade, then I am going to take my knife again, and I am going to apply a very thick layer of white paint on the mouth of lion, on both the jaw portions. You can see that this painting is not turning out to be really white. This is some kind of grayish layer. This is because the previous layer is not dried up completely. So it is adding some kind of grayish touch to the shades automatically. And this is going to be work in my favor because I really need this shade here on this area. I am going to apply same layer on the chin part also to paint the beard of the lion, and also I am going to paint some mustaches of lion by using some brush, or maybe I'll use some knife strokes for this. Whatever works, I just need good mustaches. I am going to paint this area in a very scattered and messy way. I really don't want everything on place here because I just want to keep it raw. I want scattered paints over here, nothing perfect, but I bet you this will look amazing after the completion of this artwork. Now as you can see that almost everything is done, we need to add the final details in our painting. For this, I am going to apply white shades randomly on the face and on the mane of the lion to add more highlights in this painting. This is going to work really amazing. And also, I want some depth on some areas, so I am also going to apply some black shade and some kind of burnt sienna shade on some portions to add some kind of shadowy portion to my painting along with the highlights. This is really working for me. Now let's come back to the eyes again. I need to scratch the paint away again here, and then I'm going to paint the eyes using yellow and orange shades, and the iris I am going to paint with black shade directly. You know, the whole life of painting lies here in the eyes of lion, because these eyes are really representing the character, the soul of the lion. And these must look strong and soulful. So we need to paint this with all our heart and with all our soul to capture the character, to capture the heart of lion in this painting. After painting the basic shades in eyes, I am going to apply a white dot on it to show some light effect. This is going to add an amazing charm in whole painting. And now I am going to fix all my mistakes in this painting that I did. I think I have to apply some more touches to the mane and to the face. After applying all these touches, I think my painting is going to be ready. And with all these details, my painting is really on its final node, and I am going to sign my painting. I really think that I did justice to this painting, and I really captured the soul of lion in this painting. So guys, my painting is now ready. I hope you like it. If you like it, then press the like button. And guys, I told you that there is a surprise, and the surprise is now on I'll be sharing all the real-time video tutorials on this channel. So yes, you are going to get all the real-time video tutorials for free for all premium quality paintings on this channel, for which you only need to subscribe this channel. And for this you need to press the subscribe button, and also you need to press the bell icon to get notifications for all those videos. And this is all free. You are going to enjoy all the videos in real time with some relaxing music, and you can learn so many artistic skills, guys. So the wait is over. Keep watching this channel and keep learning new artistic skills. I'll meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, you are amazing, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.